Hi, I'm Matt at KJP Select Hardwoods. We are a woodworking store in Ottawa, Ontario, and of course we ship all over the world as well. We specialize in wood carving, wood turning, furniture making, CNC and laser material. We're trying to be a one-stop shop for all things woodworking. We just finished a massive renovation, so we want to show you in this video what the store looks like now. Let's start off in the wood section. So here in the lumber room, we have over 60 species of lumber, and that ranges in exotic lumbers from all over the world to domestic species as well. We keep it in S4S lumber and also rough. We try and have stock in 4 and 5 footers for all the online orders, because usually that's shipping a lot smaller. But in the store, we can go as high as or as long as 12 feet in length. Our customers are doing all sorts of cool projects, home renovations, building furniture. If you've got an idea in mind that requires lumber, we've probably got the wood here for you to do it. So over here we've got our live edge room, which is where we put all the live edge slabs and all the burls and things like that that are a little bit more one of a kind and unique. We mostly stock walnut, white oak, cherry, spalted maple as well. We've got everything you need, like table legs if you're building your own table or you're making furniture. We've also, for a lot of the hobby woodworkers and smaller stuff, we've got all the charcuterie boards, walnut, ash, aromatic cedar, you name it. We've got all of that stuff for take-home, sort of ready-to-go projects. So this is what we call the main retail area of the store. It's where we keep all the small project wood, like the bowl turning blanks. If you're making cutting boards, if you're doing wood carving, all that stuff sort of lives in this area. We've got sort of anything you can think of for if you're doing small projects like that. We also have a large selection of premium tools here. We carry Festool and Woodpeckers, Melbourne Tool Company. This is also the room where you're going to find all our adhesives, our glues, our epoxies. We have a large selection of Rubio and Osmo oil finishes. This is sort of like the heart of the store. All right, and here we have our plywood room. So this is where we keep our full-size sheets of plywood. We carry a lot of Baltic birch and 4x8 and 5x5s, as well as walnut, cherry, maple, all the big ones. We have a large selection of acrylic colors and different types of craft plywood, and then we carry plywood circles here as well. If you're looking for plywood, chances are we've got it here. So that's it. Thanks for taking a tour of our new store. If you're in the Ottawa area, please come check us out. If there's wood that you need for your upcoming projects, we ship all over the world. As always, enjoy your woodworking.